we are. What a beautiful morning it is here in Fairfield, Connecticut. Today we're going to be doing complete demo of this home. They should be here any time now, so we're getting pretty excited. The homeowners are anxious to clear this property, so should be a good day. We got some beautiful weather, sun, good day to work out here. So hopefully we'll make some real good progress here today. And the next few days we'll be excavating for the foundation. So, kick back and enjoy and watch this demo. Just about done with the complete demolition of this home. As you can see behind me, we're just currently pulling out all slab material and bricks. We're going to cart that off here in a little bit, and we're pretty much all set to go. The next segment of this construction project will be excavation, and soon after that it will be pouring the foundation. So we stay tuned. It's going to be pretty exciting as we move forward here, and certainly got some great weather to work with.